no kumba na bandi ya polisi kurga ofisi za Ministry ya Mizi n'Obuhangwa nuke kuraba mu town ya Mbarara abato bakashuma harutindo rwa Katete aho bayoreka Sasuro nebindi ebikutokoza Obuhangwa bwensi. Echi chakorwa hizo bari ya kabiri omwiki ya Mizi n'Obuhangwa kandi egenderere kujanzaze hururu yo kurinda mizi n'Obuhangwa bwensi. Catherine Kamwine arasisi ya Mbarara City agambira abantu ngo obucwe 2008 harigana tabakutunga mizi marungi abo kushanga ngo ebyo Obuhangwa bikasisikara.
28% of Ugandans don't have safe water. And it should be our deliberate effort to make sure that all Ugandans have safe water. How do we do it? We protect water resources and the environment. We must plant trees.
Engineer Oren Lamu omwezi wa Commissioner Ministry ya Mizi n'Obuhangwa yagira ngo abantu abarukutunga mizi marungi omu town hamwe n'ebyaro gukira umuce.
The urban water coverage is about 73%. And the rural water coverage is about 68%, meaning about 32% of Ugandans don't have access to safe water. That's a very, very big job to do.
Abantu bariyonde yongera population yongera kandi ubwo yongera kandi manisa urubija ku bantu batekanisa ibishara mwenda na ejo nchimanisa ngo mwira tarwa hare kate chimare birungu mbara tunga mu buremezi omuchanda amizi gabura.
Engineer Oren yayusi abantu okosya kwamano kubire kuruho obwiro bweki yagira ngo kirugirira hakutahirira Obuhangwa bwensi.
Everybody must have afraid what climate change is all about. The temperatures have been very high. We have most of our rivers and streams that have really gone very low. We are going to see what breeze looks like today. I hope you will be able to find some water there.
Zishaka katukore program pao na webshare ready tuwakuma kandi yakumaho kandi na nebijira yitu yagendaje kurutunoga most especially the upper Rwizi. The lower Rwizi na yo bindi bizobuya watandikira ryantone ukashumuka
nk'abahumuza tuyamba abantu ababahemba timbe rushenyi kubihaho tukabahereza ikindi cyo kubasa gukora kikabatahizo mu makagao. For example umukwezo kwahwire tukagabe nkoko twagabe mpunu twagabe enjoki aha abantu abahemba kwata abaferiro bintu byabo abehiro muri cece hamwe n'abarigiri rwanyampazi.
Aba bashaba abantu hona kwejumbiro muhurureji okureba ngo Mizi n'Obuhangwa bwensi tibyasisikara. Adolf Ayoreka, Tayari West, Agenshonga.
Adolf Ayoreka abamakura